Hello everyone, welcome to Urbanscape Bangalore, and in today's episode we will be learning about how to propagate Heliconia Psittacorums by dividing. So the Heliconia Psittacorums are propagated by rhizome division. So these are the rhizomes, and you can see that my Heliconia Psittacorum was quite root bound, and these are the rhizomes. So every part of the rhizome can give rise to a Heliconia Psittacorum. So as you can see, it is very easy to break, and you can divide it into any number of parts and you will get a new Heliconia plant. So these are vigorous, very vigorous plants, and they get root bound very quickly. So the ideal place for a Heliconia Psittacorum would be the ground actually, but we can also grow this in the container and it will still look very pretty. So I will show you how to place these rhizomes into the pot. So as you can see, we have crocks that we have placed for better drainage. Now we have garden soil. So this is red soil only, but I would generally prefer that you add a lot of compost, because Heliconia Psittacorum loves a lot of organic matter. So but I do not have compost right now. My compost is just getting ready, so I just have garden soil. So let us add a little bit of garden soil. Bring it to a level. And you see these rhizomes? These look like crab legs. So these can be just directly placed into this container. You don't really have to worry about the direction. The Heliconia will always find its way out. So once you can even break it into different pieces. It will do no harm to the plant. So once you do that, so this is how the rhizomes will be attached to the plant. So you can add this as well if you want. And backfill it with soil. You can remove some if you want, so that the water will remain in the container and not overflow. And then the only thing that is left is water it. Water it nicely, soak it with a lot of water, and you can see that this plant is already growing a new flower shoot. So that's a great news. And the other thing is, place it either in part shade or full sunlight. Like I said, partial shade is preferable. Maybe a south facing direction or a west facing direction would be ideal. So these are great container plants. These are also great when they are grown in the ground, and it gives a very tropical look, and these are some of the most sought after tropical plants. And um, and also I will probably do a small review on the the gloves with claws here. So the only drawback is that I cannot use scissors. I cannot do any cuttings with the help of these uh, garden gloves with claws. Other than that, it is perfectly fine. I can easily remove weeds because these claws really help in taking out the weeds and not puncturing the rubber coating. So that way it is really efficient. And yeah, and the quality of this garden glove is also really good. So did I forget anything? So that is it, folks. So you can easily propagate Heliconia Psittacorums with the help of dividing its rhizomes. Thank you for watching, and please keep subscribing to Urbanscape Bangalore.